Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make L-Stick Edit on PS5. First, power on your PlayStation 5 console and head to the main settings menu. From there, scroll down and select Accessories. Within the Accessories options, you'll find Controllers General. This is where we'll start customizing your controller's button assignments for a more efficient editing experience. Next, within the Controller's General menu, select Custom Button Assignments and make sure to toggle it to On. Then, click on Customize Button Assignments to dive into the remapping interface. Here, you'll locate the L3 button, which is the left stick click. Assign this button to your preferred edit action, typically the edit command in your game of choice, like Fortnite. After remapping on your PlayStation 5, launch your game, for example, Fortnite, and navigate to its in-game control settings. Double-check that your in-game edit bind is now correctly set to the L3 button. It's crucial to ensure there are no conflicting keybinds. You might need to reassign other actions that were previously on L3 to different, less critical buttons for a seamless and responsive editing workflow. Finally, the most important step is practice. Head into your game's creative mode or dedicated practice maps. Spend at least 30 minutes to an hour daily to build muscle memory with your new L-Stick Edit. Experiment with different controller sensitivity settings to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for you. Consistent practice is the only way to truly master this efficient editing technique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.